Hi guys, and welcome to our very first Q&A episode. Now these series are based around questions I get asked on YouTube, and these questions are basically problems people are facing when they either try and create the script or if they download it from the website. Now I have one of my subscribers who had a problem with his mouse look script, and I'm just gonna open the script he sent me and I'm gonna go for it. Please excuse my voice, I still got the flu and I know I sound like a real idiot. I'm just gonna wait till Mod Develop opens. I'm just gonna pause the video until it's open, or I guess I don't need to. Okay, this is the script that he sent me. This one right here. Now this is the the input controller script, which allowed our player to walk left and right, up and down, and jump. Now he said that his script wasn't working. Now I can see two major problems in this already. Number one is he told me that whenever he started the game, his player would fall down and start jumping for no reason. And number two, he couldn't walk. Now the first reason is quite simple. And as you can see, he's missing something down here as well, which is the piece of code that defines when you hit the floor. So I'm quickly going to add them, so I'm just going to pause the video. Alright guys, I added the part that was missing, but actually it was there because I checked the email he sent me. It was there. It's just the file that Gmail gave me was some reason missing this part, so I just added it in. Anyways, okay, this part is fine. He's got this included and he's got the jump part included. Now I'm going to leave the script the way it is. I'm going to go back to Unity, and the first thing I'm going to do is God, I sound horrible. Okay, I'm just going to go over here and go to create other and go to capsule. Now that makes a very tiny capsule for me over there. I'm just gonna maximize it like so. It's a bit too small for my taste. There we go. Then I'm gonna go to create other, and then I'm gonna create a head for this. Now I'm gonna show you why I'm doing this in a minute. Okay, that's the head. I'm just gonna place that there. Then I'm gonna go back to the capsule. I'm gonna go to component, physics, and then I'm going to apply the carrier controller to this, like so, and add. Okay. Now, that's that done. Oops. Now, I'm going to select the head. I'm going to drag it into this capsule. So, head into this capsule. Then, I'm going to apply the script that my subscriber gave to me onto the capsule. Now, when I run this game, you're going to notice how this capsule guy starts to jump, and it's quite strange. And the jump speed at the moment he said is 55. I'm just going to change that to 15, and the walk speed to 5, and the gravity to 25, sorry, and I'll change jump speed to 10. There we go. I'm just going to save that. Now I'll run this, watch what happens. As you can see, he's bouncing for no reason, and he's touching the ground. And when I minimize the screen, I just want to double check that if his grounded variable is turned on. As you can see, it's not. Now I'll explain why. If I go back to his script, and right here in the grounded area for the jump if statement, he's been a mistake. He's done if grounded, which is fine, and then he said if input.get button is jump, and then he closed the if statement. So what's that? That tells the script, okay, as soon as the game starts and he's grounded, just keep making him jump on his y-axis like so, because we're not pressing the button, because he's closed it off and it does it automatically for us. So in order to stop that, delete the semicolon and place the open curly brace over here, and then save it. And now if you go back into Unity, let it just update the script. Hold on a second. Yeah. Once you put a closing brace over here, after this closing brace, sorry, open brace. After this closing brace, put another closing brace like so. And then when I go back, it should get rid of the error like so. Okay. Now when I run this, I'll minimize your damn thing. He should stop jumping like so. There you are. That solves your jumping problem. And if I press space this time, he'll jump only then. Now he had another problem where he said he couldn't walk left or right. Now I only came up with one solution for that, is if I go to the head, and as you can see it's stuck to the body. If I drag this a bit more down, watch what happens. I'm just gonna put the speed up a bit. He walks a bit too slow. Main player, where the hell is he going? Cube capsule, there we are. And speed 10, there we are. Now when I run this, I'm gonna see if that happens this time, because when I tried it, I was having the same problem he was talking about. But for some reason now it's not doing it, so I guess your script's fine. It was just your jump that was causing you the problem, and that's how you solve that. And you can see now when the game runs, your character doesn't jump automatically. It's only done by a key press. So that was your mistake, and I hope this helped you. And guys, these episodes are only based on questions I get on YouTube, and I'm just gonna try and put them into a video and explain to you what you guys are doing wrong, because I get a lot of comments and they're really hard to keep up with because I'm very busy on top of that, and I have like nearly 200 to 300 inboxes in YouTube, so it's a pain, and I can't get back to all of you. So what I'm doing is I'm going through all of them, and if I find similar problems people are having, I'm gonna start and convert that into a video, and then you guys can watch it and see what you've done wrong. And that's the best way I can solve your guys' problems for you. Just give me 1 second. Yes, so this is your very first Q&A episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you guys had a similar problem like this should fix it. So please remember, always put an open curly brace after an if statement which is asking for an input from us, and then close that, and then close the grounded function as well, statement as well, and that should fix it. Otherwise guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and there's plenty more to come. Take care.